Hello, my name is Asala, and today I'm going to show you how to make the basic and advanced Apollonian gasket. So let's get into this. Okay, so first, as you can see, what we have here is the basic Apollonian gasket, and I'm about to show you how that is made. So as you can see, with every Apollonian gasket, we have to start with a polygon. So I chose a circle. And as you can see, we have a huge circle in the middle, which kind of acts like the center toward it. And what you want to do in the rest of the gaps is fill it with circles, as you can see I did. But you want to make sure it's symmetrically similar, so you just don't have a bunch of random circles all around the place. Alright, now that we're done with the basic, we have the advanced, which I'm going to show you how to make. As you can see on the basic, we actually start off with a circle, and we do not use lines to tangent the circles. Also, we have multiple big circles inside of the advanced. And as you can see, it sort of creates a ripple effect right here. As you can see, it goes down, down, and goes smaller and smaller. But not all of them have to have a ripple effect, of course. This is just my example. As you can see, we also have to fill in the gaps with other just smaller circles, but make sure it's symmetrically correct, because you just don't want a bunch of random circles all over the place as well. And this is the conclusion of our video. Thank you for watching.